when you're looking to acquire new skills, so new partner work, whatever it might be, we recommend that you practice on time, or at least with a sense of time. If we have to take it even further than that, maybe an essence or a hint of time. No, not good enough. Practice on time. Now, the issue is that you could even play a slow salsa and it still be too fast, especially for newcomers, or somebody who's looking to acquire something very challenging, like really intricate partner work and those sorts of things. So it still might be too fast for you. So you have a few options. One, Salsa Rhythms app. It can slow down the music to a tempo of your choosing. Also, you can simply count for one another. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now that might even be too fast for you if you're really, having issue with something. So what you both need in a partnership is a common language, and that is the metronome or the timing, tempo that a song gives. Salsa music, pretty fast. Salsa Rhythms app, you can slow it down or speed it up to a desired timing. That still might even be too fast. You could count even slower. Quick, quick, stop. Scratch your head, process. Oh, I know what's next. Quick, quick, stop. Might sound ridiculous. It's not. When we do tricky things, we have to do that at times too. But what that gives you is it gives your partner a metronome, the same metronome that you're using, or that timing, so that they're not confused, because the two of you could do exactly all the right steps. But if you're doing it at different timings, one's zigging and the other's zagging. So practice on time. Salsa music, fast. Salsa Rhythms app, you can slow it down, speed it up. If you have to take a step further than that, quick, quick stop, count for your partner. Have a calibrated time that you can both work on.
Also, then ask your instructor and just ask them if they can give you a list of songs that you can purchase, and that way you can have slow music, salsa music.
Great. Now you just are making us accountable, and all the other instructors out there with all their students
That's
asking.
right.
So you better get that playlist ready.
I'm going to get it.
Okay.